Greetings and welcome to YJ Nature Life. I know in this channel we deal with health and nature, so I wanted to promote and leave a review about this new vegan shop or vegan restaurant in Maypen, Clarendon, Jamaica. So that's the name of the business, Fastacious Foods. So on entry you can see it's a small shop. There's space to eat in, or you can take out and also deliver. Yeah, so that's the banana bread. And you can taste it, see, and we don't know how it tastes. So I get this meal. Yeah, this food is good. They say vegan means plain rice and salad. So yeah, breakfast menu, a lunch menu, and a price. So this was the menu for today, the breakfast menu and the lunch menu. And they change the menu almost every day, so you can find new dishes, different dishes, find which one you like. So yeah, that's the menu. So this is the banana bread. The banana bread was very, very delicious. Very nice. Alright, so sauce and this is nice.
So which one number is it? Is it the one that you get through? Sorry, what's the number there?
So these I have. It's located in 55 Manchester Avenue, right next to the NSTA Heart Trust Foundation. They still working on it though, they get a logo soon.
Yeah, they get something.
So yeah man, as you enter, it's over there.